All right. Hello there. This is an unboxing of a new watch I got. It's the Timex X Hodinkee. Hodinkee is a very popular watch website. I heard about this collaboration between them and Timex, and I was very interested right away. They're actually the ones I've started looking into watches lately with, and they introduced me to the Omega Moon Swatch that I got recently. I got the Jupiter one. It's one of my favorite watches, despite having a whole bunch. But they had this collaboration with Timex, and I had to get one, so I went and purchased it. It just came in an hour ago. I'm going to do a little unboxing. So this is a collab between Hodinkee and Timex. If you go to their website, they talk about how they worked very closely with Timex to come up with a watch that spanned a whole bunch of generations. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it a little bit better. There's the Timex X Hodinkee. They actually went across a bunch of generations and came up with a design that kind of spanned a few iconic a couple of iconic generations of Timex. There's the watch itself on its little phone. The box itself isn't terribly fancy. I mean, it is a low. It's not a low end watch, but it's a mid low, like Skagen level and that kind of thing cost wise. But this is the watch. It's really really nice actually. Quite impressed with what I'm seeing so far, and to give a good look at it here. It's very industrial design, very brushed metal, some really nice accents on it, like a nice line that goes across the bar. Beautiful Timex logo, Hodinkee logos on it right now. Really nice brushed movable dial to set kind of mark points for some timing. Really slick design. The movement is really nice and smooth and pretty. And one of the neat things about this, if any of you had dads like I did that wore Timex the whole life, it's a stretch band. It's not a clip band like you would see on a lot of watches nowadays. So let me remove my Omega Moon Swatch, and I'll give this a try. Probably have to take some of the bands off, but it's good to try it right now. So again, it's a nice big band. It's hard to see it, but they've made replacement of the battery quite easy. You just need a simple screwdriver. You can pop it open and replace your battery yourself, which is really great. Let's try this baby on. Oh, okay. Now that just looks slick. I mean, it's not your dad's Timex. You know what I mean? It's something you'd see in a magazine cover in the 60s or 70s, some guy wearing, while they're, in their car or whatever. It's really, I mean, it looks great on the arm. I can't deny this, and the movement is really slick, and I really like the style of the numbers on the side. They're kind of retro feeling. And again, like I said, the movement looks really nice, a little ball on the tip. It's my first purchase from Hodinkee directly. Very impressed. This collaboration was something that I heard about just recently. I'm really glad I picked this watch up, and it's going to be a great addition to my collection. And that is the unboxing of the Timex X Hodinkee collaboration that they just released. Super impressed with this watch. I can't wait to wear it a ton, and thanks so much for watching.